This is the second video in the series about short division. In this one, I'm going to show you how to divide a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Question number 1, 126 divided by 3. I'll make some space for the 126 divided by 3. So this says, how many times does 3 go into 126? Okay, working from the left, 3 into 1 doesn't go. 3 into 1 goes 0 times. Let's do that in blue. 3 into 12 now. 3 into 12 does go. 3 into 12 goes 4 times. And then 3 into 6. And 3 into 6 goes 2 times. So I make the answer 42. Let's check by doing 42 times 3 to see whether we get the answer 126. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 3 is 12. Yep, we got the answer 126. So that's correct. Next one. 184 divided by 4. 184 divided by 4. How many times does 4 go into 184? Okay, working from the left. 4 into 1 doesn't go. 4 into 1 goes 0 times. How about 4 into 18? Yep, 4 into 18 goes 4 times. 4, 8, 12, 16. It goes 4 times, and then there's a remainder of 2. So I'll put that next to the 4. Now, does 4 go into 24? Yes, it does. It goes in 6 times. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 6 times. So I make the answer 46. Let's just check by doing a multiplication. 46 times 4, does it give us 184? 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 4 is 16, plus the 2 I'm carrying is 18. There we go, 184. So I was right with the answer 46. Third question, 162 divided by 6. You should be getting the hang of these by now. 162 divided by 6, make some space for that 162. Divide by 6. How many times does 6 go into 162 is what we're trying to find out. 6 into 1, so start by working from the left. 6 into 1 doesn't go. So I'll write 0. 6 into 16 does go. The reason why I'm using the 1 now in the 16, if it wasn't clear, is because it didn't go into 1, so I'm going to have to try 1 and 6 together, which is 16. Okay, 6 into 16 goes 2 times, but there's a remainder of 4. Yeah, 6 times 2 is 12, and then 12 count up to 16. There's a remainder of 4 there. Okay, now does 6 go into 42? 6 does go into 42. It goes in 7 times without remainder. So there is the answer. Let's check our answer by doing the opposite. We'll do a multiplication. 27 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. 2 times 6 is 12. Add the 4 that I was carrying, 16. 162. So I was right. Okay, last question. 161 divided by 7. Make some space for the 161. Divided by 7. How many times does 7 go into 161 is the question I'm asking. 7 into 1 doesn't go. So I'll put a 0. 7 into 16 goes 2 times. I'll put the 2 there, and there's a remainder of 2. So I'll put that little 2 there next to the 1. It makes 21. How many times does 7 go into 21? It goes in 3 times. I'll put the 3 at the top. That gives me the answer 23. And I can check if I was right by doing a multiplication. 23 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 2 times 7 is 14. Add the 2 that I was carrying, 16. That gives me an answer of 161. That's what I had to start with, so I was right. Very good. Okay, that's the end of that video. If you want to find out how to divide a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number, you need to watch video number 3.